Yeah, good day, guys. This is your boy Chibuzo Ago, and you're welcome to Login for Tech channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create thumbnails for YouTube videos, and we shall be using PC in this instance, which I'll be showing from my laptop screen. I actually use most of them. I actually use them actually to create most of my YouTube thumbnails. As you can see, these are some of the thumbnails you find on my YouTube channel. And I use two different platforms. Here's online platform, and the good news is that they are completely free. So in this video, I'll be walking you through. Yes, we shall be creating just one YouTube thumbnails, which I'll be using in this very video you are watching. So I will advise you to watch this video to the end. So pull a cushion, sit back, grab a popcorn, grab any fruit juice of your choice, and we'll be right back.
You are welcome to Blog Infotech YouTube channel.
So you're welcome back from that short break. So like I said from the beginning, my name is Chibuzo Agowa, and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel, just as you can see. So it's a technology related channel, and in this channel I teaches people how to do a lot of things. I cover topics such as how to make money, affiliate marketing, mobile apps, computers, laptops, PCs, and affiliate marketing, cryptocurrencies, and the like. So if you want to be part of this channel, I will kindly indulge on you or plea on you to kindly hit the subscribe button, that rectangular button that has the inscription subscribe, which is directly below this video that you're watching. And you can also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release important videos just like this. So once you've done that, automatically you've become part of this family and you are highly welcome. So having done that, let us go straight to business, which is actually showing you how to create them. Thumbnails for YouTube videos using laptop or personal computers. You know, there are various versions where you can also use a mobile phone and create I am thumbnails for a YouTube video, but I'll be showing you the PC version. And like I said from the beginning, I shall be using two platforms. I actually use two platforms in creating YouTube thumbnails. The first one is Designer. You already know the second one, which is Canva, but we shall be using Canva in creating thumbnail for this very video that you're watching. So now designer is actually DESYGNER.com. Actually has a pro plan in designer, yes, and that's the major reason why I use it most of the time. But I like using Canva in creating most of my thumbnails, just as you can see. But like I said, I use two platforms, Designer and Canva. So if you're on Designer, that is DESYGNER.com. So this is the homepage. This is how it looks like once you created an account and you've signed in. Now this is my account here, and if you actually want to create a thumbnail, just let me like show you, but I'm not creating a thumbnail using this platform because I don't want to waste your time in this video because I just want to use one. So you have to, like you see, there are various navigation on the left corner of my screen, as you can see. So you just click on social posts and you see various social media profiles, pre-designed templates. They actually pre-designed template because that's what you can use when you edit them to your taste. So once you see pre-designed templates, you click on YouTube thumbnail just like this, and you see various pre-designed templates of YouTube thumbnails, and you can use any of them that suits your need. Once you scroll down, you see that there are various templates and they are completely free, just like I said from the beginning. So if you've seen your preferred choice, say, let's say for example, I want to make use of this one, I'm actually using the pro plan just like I told you. So most of the templates might be free for me on Designer. So if you actually choose this one, you can click on edit, and it will take you to the edit, the view or the place whereby you can easily edit the thumbnail to suit your taste. So this it works similar with Canva. That's why I said I wouldn't want to waste your time in this. So if you actually edit all this and the images and it suits your need, you can download them and start making use of them on your YouTube videos or YouTube channels. You know, actually thumbnails make it has an extra effect. For example, it makes your videos more clickable when it appears on the YouTube search page. So now this is designer and this is how it works. So I don't want to use designer just like that. So I'll move down to Canva, and we shall be making use of Canva, and we shall create the YouTube the thumbnail of this very video that you're watching. So now from if you logged into Canva, um, if you actually created an account, you can easily go and create an account if you haven't done that. And Canva is completely, it's free actually, but if you want to make most use of most of the templates, you can actually upgrade to pro platform. So once you log into Canva, as you can see, this is my page, this is my description, C standing for Chibuze, that's my name. So now what you do once you're here, you can actually go to the search bar, this search bar, and type on YouTube thumbnails. YouTube thumbnails. I actually want to create a thumbnails for this video, so we'll have to do a thorough search if I will see what I'm looking for. So YouTube thumbnails, you click on enter, and it will give you it will show you a display of various pre-designed template actually, which you can edit to your taste and start making use of it in all of your YouTube videos. Like I said from the beginning, some of my most of my YouTube thumbnails I do created with Canva and Designer, but I like using Canva most because I started using it first before switching or before purchasing a plan on Designer. So now let's go. These are the various these are YouTube thumbnails, just like I said, and these are various pre-designed templates. Once you look, you discover that most of them, some of them are actually pro, that which means you have to upgrade your Canva subscription to a pro plan. For example, if I can make use of this very template, it is a pro plan, I have to upgrade. But this one is actually free, and this one is actually free. Once you hover your mouse cursor over each of the thumbnails, you actually see if they are free or paid. For example, this one is paid, this is free, and this is paid also. So let's do a search. Just like I said, I want to create, and in creating a thumbnail for your video, you must actually create something that depicts the video that you're recording. So like I said, I'm actually creating this video, I'm actually teaching how to create YouTube thumbnails, which means I must actually search for a thumbnails that will give me what I'm looking for, that will make this very video clickable. Once it how I have actually come across something that is okay. As you can see, this, oh thank God, and it is free. Like I told you, I'm operating on a free plan on Canva. So this thumbnail is free. So let's see what it looks like. So you click on it. If I actually want to make use of it, just like we're doing, you select it, and it will take you to the editing page whereby you can edit it to suit your taste. You see, it actually has a text YouTube thumbnail, and that's the more reason why I said let me make use of it. So these are various thumbnails I've created on this very platform, Canva, and I've used them on my YouTube channel. As if you can see, navigate through my YouTube channel, you see most of these thumbnails. So now, like I say, YouTube thumbnail. Yes, this is a good text. So I want to edit this text. Multipurpose is not a good enough. So let me say, create amazing YouTube thumbnails for free. Is that catchy enough? Oh no, let me just how to create YouTube thumbnails. Thumbnails. I want to actually use. Click on it. Thumbnails. How to create YouTube thumbnails on PC. So I'll actually need to add another text so that let's see. Okay, these are okay on PC. How to create YouTube thumbnails on PC, just like the title of this videos goes. So now if you want to include text, you have to click on this T word you see in this left corner. So I'll have to choose something. Okay, heading will be okay, and now I'll have to like shift this downwards. Okay, on PC. Okay, on PC. It seems I'll have to maintain the same. Okay, Barbers new serial. I have to maintain the same font so that it will look okay. Seems bar was the name again of this font that I'm using right here. Let me check it once more. So Bebas, okay, Bebas, Bebas. This is the font. So that is what I want to make this. Yes, that's okay. So Bebas, there's a font size. I'll have to increase this also. Let me see until that attains a particular size that I deem fit or okay for me. So PC is okay. So now let's still I want to shape this a little bit. So go back to template. Okay. Let me shape this. So this portion, yes, is okay right here. So now the next thing I will have to do is I don't really like this image of this lady that is displaying. It doesn't really depict what I'm trying to shoot in this video. So all you have to do, you can easily delete this image just like as I'm doing right now. So you just click on the image and hit the delete key on your keyboard. So the image is off. So now the next thing I'll have to do is to replace this image with something that depicts this video that I'm shooting about. So now let's go to elements. I want to actually look for a YouTube logo. Yes, I've used this before, so it is automatically a but in case you want to search for any element that you want to make use of, you can easily type, let me say YouTube, and hit enter. You see lots of images which you can easily use. I think this one is okay, so let me tap on it, and the image is being added to my um, thumbnail that I'm creating. So I want to like, okay, hope this is okay enough. No, let me see. Oh, okay, let me shrink it a little bit. So yes, this looks a little bit perfect. How to create. So I think this is okay. How to create YouTube thumbnails on PC. As you can see, we've created a thumbnail right here on Canva, which, like I said, I'll be using in this very video that you're watching. So once we are done, you can easily go to, you see this top right corner, my mouse is actually hovering over it. So you click on share. I want to download this very link. So you see download right here. Once you look at it, so I click on download. I want to download it to my PC so that I will use it in this video. So you see click on download once more, close whatsoever. Okay. The download will resume in no moment. Okay, as you can see, it has downloaded. No, actually over on something else. Go back. So the download is actually complete. So now let me go down to my download folder. Actually click on my calendar, like I know that's the problem. Go down, go down, go down. So actually let's go to my download folder and let's see this very thumbnail that I created. Let's see how it looks like. Download folder. Yes. Documents. Okay, my downloads. So this is it. So now let's see how it looks like. Let's say the thumbnail that we just created, which I'll be using in this very video. As you can see, this is the thumbnail that I created on Canva. I downloaded it to my laptop. I created it on PC, as you can see, and I'll be making use of this video. So that's all you need to know in creating amazing thumbnails for your YouTube channel. So you can go ahead and create an account on Canva if you've not yet done that and start creating amazing thumbnails on PC using Canva, or if you prefer Designer, yes, you can use Designer. They work similar, but like I said from the start, I like using Canva. So with that, having done that, we've come to the end of this video. I believe you've learned something new which you don't really know. So like I said from the beginning, if you're still yet to hit the subscribe button, you can kindly do that and start creating that amazing thumbnails for your YouTube channel from now on. So we've come to the end of this video. So like I said from the start, Chibuzo Agua is my name. Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. Hit the subscribe button and anticipate for the next video. So bye bye for now.